Why are so many Filipinos insecure? Why do we feel like we're never good enough? Whether it's about our looks, careers, or our relationships. Today, I'm breaking it down. The 3 big reasons why Filipinos struggle with self-worth, and more importantly, how to overcome them. Keep watching because this might be the video you need to see to take your career and your life to your next level. Hi, my name is Arjo, and I'm here to help you expand your awareness and embrace the best version of yourself. Insecurity isn't just a personal issue. It's something deeply rooted in our Filipino culture and society. Let's uncover the truth behind our struggles and, most importantly, how to break free from them. Here are the 3 reasons why Filipinos are insecure. Reason number 1, the colonial mentality. This inferiority complex runs deep in our history. After centuries of colonization, we've been conditioned to believe that Western traits are superior. The Spaniards, the Americans came and imposed their culture on us. They had better technology, and they said they were superior to us and that we should follow them. We believed them, and we surrendered our power. Since then, we have been a second-rate citizen in our own land, bowing down to our foreign overlords. We live our lives thinking that if we do not look or act like them, then somehow we are unworthy or unqualified. Think about it. What are the beauty standards we see in our country today? Fair skin, pointed nose, tall, slim figures. It's no surprise that skin whitening products are super popular. And it doesn't stop at looks alone. Often, we undervalue our own culture and brands, thinking Western culture, products, and services are always better. But here's the truth. They are not better than us, and we are not better than them. We are all just the same human beings. Scientists confirm that as human beings, our DNA, whether you're Western, Eastern, North, South, or wherever you're from in this planet, our DNA is 99.9% identical. Let go of the belief that they are better than us. Break out of that paradigm where you put foreigners up in a pedestal, because by doing so, you lower your own worth as a human being. Filipino traits, our resilience, natural beauty, our warmth, our family values, our empathy. My God, our empathy. I believe that our empathy can save the world, I'm telling you. Our joy, our love, our smile, our creativity, our willingness to care and make people feel like they belong are all valuable traits. Breaking free from the colonial mentality means realizing that you are enough exactly as you are as a Filipino and as a human being. Reason number 2 why Filipinos are insecure is societal pressure and the comparison culture. If you're Filipino, you've probably heard this from your family and friends. When are you getting married? Kailan ka bibili ng bahay? Ano na trabaho mo? We're constantly measured by societal milestones. Career success, marriage, family. Add social media to the mix, and it feels like everyone's life is perfect except yours. You start comparing your life to your parents. You start comparing your life to Facebook posts. You want to please other people so much that you base your whole life by their expectations of you. Because of this, you always feel like you're falling behind. And that doubt lowers your confidence, making you feel more and more insecure. But here's the truth. Your life is yours. No one else's expectations or timelines matter. What matters is that you're staying true to your own path that fulfills you, to your own path that makes you happy. You are a unique human being. There is no one else like you. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Stop copying other people. Stop living based on the expectations of other people. You have to start living your life based on who you truly are inside and what truly makes you happy. Because when you're happy and fulfilled, then that's when you can be truly at your very best at work and at home. By the way, guys, if you like my content so far, if you like the direction where I'm going with my videos, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. And if you want, please, do your friend and your family a favor by sharing this video with them if you think it will help them. Okay? Let's continue. Reason number 3, the bahala na mentality. For the viewers who don't speak Tagalog, the bahala na mentality is a Pinoy mindset that translates to something like, whatever happens, happens, or leave it to fate, it will all work out. It embodies a mix of courage, surrender, and faith in the face of uncertainty or challenges. At first glance, this mindset seems empowering. It's that come what may attitude that gives us courage to face life's uncertainties. It's the driving force behind Filipino resilience. But here's where it gets tricky. When bahala na mixes with your comfort zone, you stop doing your best. It's so easy to become complacent. You exert minimal effort and tell yourself it's good enough or bahala na, I'll leave it to fate. Every time you give less than your full effort, you subconsciously tell yourself that you're not capable of more. Over time, this drains your belief in yourself, making you more and more insecure. Confidence comes from knowing you've done your best. Breaking free from this cycle means taking action. Bahala na should be a mindset of trust and effort. Trust yourself and trust the universe that things will work out in your favor as long as you do your best. So there you have it, the 3 big reasons why so many Filipinos struggle with insecurity: the colonial mentality, societal pressure and the comparison culture, and the bahala na mindset, which leads to complacency. But here's the good news. You're not defined by these mentalities. You have the power to break free from these patterns, rewrite your story, and step into your true worth. Breaking free from insecurities starts with awareness. Let go of the belief that you are not enough. Stop living by other people's expectations. Always do your best to subconsciously remind yourself of how capable you are. You are Filipino. You are resilient, creative, and deeply empathic. The world needs your light, and it starts with believing in yourself. When I was growing up in the Philippines, I noticed that when I was trying to improve myself, I was surrounded by some people who would laugh at me, They would laugh at me because I was trying to improve myself. And I didn't understand it at that time. But now I understood why. They were insecure that I was improving myself and they weren't. And to cope with that insecurity, what they did was they laughed at me. I was lucky that I was able to find my group of friends who also enjoyed improving themselves and working on themselves. And I would like this channel to be that community, to be focused on self-improvement. If you're someone who's surrounded by the same people who don't work on themselves and they laugh at you because you are willing to work on yourself, then I suggest is to let go of those people and just come focused. Let's make this community of self-improvement for Filipinos. And together, we can help each other, we can exchange ideas, we can support each other, and we can lift each other up and improve our lives and reach that best version of ourselves. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe, like, and comment to support the channel. I want to hear from you. Which of these reasons resonate with you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. And also, if you feel like you know a friend who can benefit from this video, feel free to share this video with them so that together we will break free from insecurity and embrace the best version of ourselves as Filipinos. Maraming salamat, and I'll see you in the next one.